Indian online retail space is estimated to be worth $50 to $60 billion. If you are shopping online, you are part of a large marketplace. While shopping online, there are items aplenty to woo you, but with a few handy tips you can make the best out of your online experience and also save some money. Online shopping websites are known to have dynamic pricing on products based on your location, purchase history, and browsing history. What if offers and discounts are not made available at your location or against your consumer habits? Go incognito on your web browser and see if you get a better deal on your shopping cart. A shopping list is helpful in both online and offline shopping. It helps us stay on track and makes sure that we don't stray around at the sight of every tempting product or service. Next time when you log into your favorite shopping portal, make sure you have the list of things to buy and you stick to it. Compare the price of the product you want to buy across different shopping portals. Another vendor may offer a better discount on the same product. Why pay in cash when you have convenient EMI options available using your HDFC Bank credit card? Favorable EMI options can be good for your cash flow position in the short and medium term. Thanks to your HDFC Bank credit card, you may be eligible for unbeatable reward points and cashbacks. Earning these added perks will make your online shopping experience enjoyable as well as profitable. With products ranging from everyday grocery needs to apparel shopping and from flights booking to all your lifestyle purchases, choosing HDFC Smartbuy helps you get the best out of online shopping.